Here's how this works. Water, salt, and pepper, those are freebies. Your pantry, it better have flour, oil, vinegar, mustard, and garlic. Beyond that, you'll only need 5 more ingredients and 25 minutes to put an entree or entire meal on the table. So, shop, set the clock, and let's dish out. Ingredient number 1 is some microwaveable quinoa and brown rice blend. We use about 1 pound to 1.5 pounds of fresh cod, some nice fresh vibrant dill, a little bit of non-fat plain Greek yogurt, and a lemon. Alright, let's get to work. First off, we're going to make our yogurt dill sauce, and to do that we're just going to dice up about a tablespoon or so of fresh dill, add a teaspoon of Dijon mustard to a bowl, followed by 6 to 8 ounces of that non-fat plain Greek yogurt. You could use full fat if you wanted to. Add in that tablespoon of fresh chopped dill and the juice of about half a lemon. Depends on how much juice your lemon gives up. You want about a tablespoon or so. We'll season that with salt and freshly cracked pepper. And stir all of that very thoroughly. Maybe use a whisk. And you've got yourself a really pungent, piquant yogurt sauce. We'll go ahead and cut our cod up into bite-size, or not bite-size, but serving-size pieces. And get out some flour from the pantry. Put a nice breading on our cod. You can season the cod itself or add a little seasoning to the flour, whatever you prefer. Go ahead and make sure you give it a good press, get a good nice coating on the outside of that fish. Make sure you coat all sides and set it aside for a few minutes. While you bring a skillet up to medium-high heat, add in a couple tablespoons of olive oil. I'm using a wok here so I can do a nice shallow fry. Then slowly lay your fish in very carefully away from you. And cook it for 3 to 4 minutes on that first side until a nice golden brown crust starts to form. Flip it over. You can baste it with that olive oil if you want to, or even throw in some butter if you're feeling adventurous. Again, try and brown all sides here, and then once you've got it to about 130 to 140 degrees internally, we're ready to plate this up. I put down a bed of that microwaveable brown rice blend. You could definitely cook rice in 25 minutes, but I love those blends. They're so easy and convenient. Lay down your fish. I put a little extra salt on top for seasoning, and then just spoon over that luscious yogurt sauce, garnish with a little fresh dill, and you've got dinner on the table in about 20 minutes. This fish is so moist and succulent. We really got a beautiful crust on the outside of it thanks to that flour and nice relatively high heat. Look at that, just opaque and just cooked through. It's a really succulent bite of fish. I love, love, love this sauce. So simple with so few ingredients, but all the flavors hit home. That nice, vibrant and tangy lemon juice plays well with the yogurt. The dill adds a nice earthy, fresh note to it. And that Dijon keeps it nice and... what the heck? Sorry about that, guys. Anyways, I don't know what I was saying, but just gonna make something delicious.